Budgeting is a crucial skill that everyone should master in order to achieve financial freedom. It involves creating a plan for how you will spend and save your money and sticking to that plan consistently. By mastering budgeting, you can take control of your finances, reduce stress, and work towards achieving your financial goals. The first step in mastering budgeting is to create a budget that works for you. This involves taking a close look at your income and expenses and determining how much money you have coming in and going out each month. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, you can start to allocate your money towards different categories, such as housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. One key tip for creating a budget is to prioritize your expenses based on your needs and goals. Start by covering your essential expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and groceries. Then, allocate money towards your financial goals, such as saving for retirement, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Finally, you can budget for discretionary expenses, such as dining out, shopping, or entertainment. Another important aspect of mastering budgeting is to track your expenses regularly. This involves keeping a close eye on where your money is going and making adjustments to your budget as needed. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and find ways to cut back and save money. One effective way to track your expenses is to use a budgeting app or software program. These tools can help you categorize your expenses, set spending limits, and track your progress towards your financial goals. By using a budgeting app, you can easily see where your money is going and make informed decisions about how to manage your finances. In addition to tracking your expenses, it is important to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time. By reviewing your budget regularly, you can ensure that you are staying on track with your financial goals and make changes to your budget as needed. One key tip for reviewing your budget is to set aside time each month to sit down and review your finances. Take a close look at your income and expenses and compare them to your budgeted amounts. If you find that you are consistently overspending in certain categories, look for ways to cut back and save money. By reviewing your budget regularly, you can stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about how to manage your money. Mastering budgeting is not just about creating a plan for how you will spend your money, but also about developing good financial habits. One important habit to develop is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before you pay your bills or make any other purchases. By paying yourself first, you can prioritize your financial goals and ensure that you are saving money for the future. Another important habit to develop is to avoid impulse spending. It can be easy to get caught up in the moment and make impulse purchases, but these can quickly add up and derail your budget. Before making a purchase, take a moment to consider whether it aligns with your financial goals and priorities. By avoiding impulse spending, you can stay on track with your budget and work towards achieving your financial goals. In conclusion, mastering budgeting is a key step towards achieving financial freedom. By creating a budget that works for you, tracking your expenses, and developing good financial habits, you can take control of your finances and work towards achieving your financial goals. Remember to prioritize your expenses, track your spending, review your budget regularly, and develop good financial habits. By mastering budgeting, you can reduce stress, take control of your finances, and work towards achieving financial freedom.